All right, students, now that we found the absolute deviation, so we found the absolute value of how far or how different each of these data points is from that mean, we want to find the mean of all of these absolute values. We want to find the mean of all these absolute deviations. So to do that, I just want to do like I did before. I want to find the average of all of these data points right here. So like I did before, I'm going to press equals and then average, and then I want it to average each of these data points together. And the mean absolute deviation for sample number 1 is a little less than 1. And in this context, that means that the average person is within about a year of each other. About a year of the average for the data set. So meaning that these data points are pretty close together overall. So again, I think that Google Sheets is going to predict what I want it to do next. I want to find the average of B13 through K13. So I'm going to click on this one before that has that formula in it. I'm going to press Control-C to copy and then Control-V to paste. And notice it's finding the average of B13 through K13. And that's exactly what I wanted to do. So I'm going to go ahead and paste each of these other values, or in each of these other cells, and notice that it changes the formula going down 1 row each time, or in this case 2 rows, down to row 16. But it's performing otherwise the same calculation. So copy and paste is your friend with Google Sheets. So this is showing the mean absolute deviation. So the average distance each of the data points is from that mean, or the average for the data set. So this is commenting on the spread. How spread out in age are these viewers? Go ahead and take these data points and finish your task. You'll complete a table and then answer 2 more questions about the data that you calculated with your Google Sheet today. Thanks for learning with me.